Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. So let's get started. Today we are going to see how to add markers to a map in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get started. As you can see, here I have got an empty map. I'll click right here and there it is. To go and add a marker, come to a crafting table. You will need 6 pieces of wool. Choose the wool color that will go and affect the marker color. That will go and create a banner. And then what we can do is go and place the banner where you want the marker to be. For example, here I have now placed it. I'll open up the map and I'll go and click right on the banner. It will go and add the marker. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked it, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.